Welcome back to the channel, everyone. New day in the garage. So today we are installing the third of 4 Enduro Engineering pieces. Actually, technically the fourth of 5, because obviously we installed the front guard, the skid plate, the rear guard right there. We got 2 more. This time we're installing the clutch guard. That's gonna go over here, right here, to protect all this stuff. This one should be a pretty easy install. I'll just document it for you and see what goes on. So like and subscribe for more dirt biking maintenance videos, and let's get to work. So we're gonna start by taking off this cover. Alright. And then I believe you have to do the same thing on the back here. To get this cover off. Gotta loosen it. Okay. That was a tight squeeze. Alright. Those 2 are off. And the guard is out. Simple as that. Now we get to remove the 2 remaining cylinder bolts. Cool. Now we get to put on the slave guard, like so. So this is it, like that. Let that sit right there. Insert one of the bolts here. And one of the bolts in the bottom. But do not tighten them, according to the instructions. We can thread them all the way in, but we're not supposed to tighten them. This is a 5mm Allen key. Get that in place. Thread it all the way. Okay, we were given this knockdown bar. And then this goes back here. Oh, that's great. The instructions call for a bit of blue thread locker. So that is on the hex nut, or the hex bolt. And then alright, so now we get to install this final bolt and the supplied spacer. I'm going to try not to drop any of this stuff. Ah, there we go. Alright, success. Alright, so that is most of the install, and we are just going to tighten each of these down in a circular motion, and supposed to do it gently. Now time to just tighten off this one. It's probably the most challenging bolt to get to on the entire bike. And the instructions call for this to pretty much be at a 45. So I'm lining it up. It's about 45, right? And I will snug that up nice and tight. This is very difficult to do with one hand, so you should definitely give it a like and definitely a subscribe. Cool. Alright, now I've got the knockdown bar installed, the chain slider, and the guard. So yeah, that's it for this one. The next video will be what I'm most actually excited about, which is radiator guards. So they're back ordered, but they're going right here. We're gonna cover that up, make sure that I don't strand myself on the trail from overheating. All right, like, subscribe, see you on the next one. Peace.